How to take a screenshot on a Mac. On a Mac, there are several methods to take a screenshot. Here are some common ways. 1. Capture the entire screen asterisk, press Command key, plus Shift plus 3. The screenshot will be saved on your desktop. 2. Capture a selected portion of the screen asterisk, press Command key, plus Shift plus 4. Drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse button to take the screenshot. 3. Capture a specific window asterisk, press Command key, plus Shift plus 4. Press the spacebar. Click on the window you want to capture. 4. Capture the touch bar, on MacBook Pro, press Command key, plus Shift plus 6. 5. Capture and copy to clipboard asterisk, add Control to any of the previous shortcuts, example Command key, plus Control plus Shift plus 3. The screenshot will be copied to the clipboard for pasting. 6. Use Grab, built-in app, open the Grab app from Applications Utilities. In the menu, choose Capture and select the type of screenshot you want. 7. Use Preview, built-in app, open Preview and go to File Take Screenshot. 8. Use third-party apps asterisk, there are various third-party apps available on the Mac App Store that provide additional features for screenshot capture. Choose the method that best suits your needs.